Hello everyone. You see, I'm tired and I'm gonna be playing more Iron View. I'm gonna see if I can make my own voice thing because my name is Fluffy Boy, and you know who's the fluffiest boy of them all. We all know, Boris the Wolf. 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 Yeah, Boris the Wolf. Everybody has to know it's Boris the Wolf. 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 What am I even saying? Boris the Wolf. I basically just put this on loop because I'm one of those people that are interested in giving myself pain with no. No, my gosh. This is fun. Okay, listen. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places. I promise you guys, I'm not losing this. Okay. So if I go here, Boris the Wolf. Well, I guess it ain't just for women. Wolf. No. I'll put up cartoon wolf. What's this? Oh my god. Who'd want this like stapling so that it even match your skin? Oh. Guess I would have to work for boys. Now it's time for Bendy. Bendy. I'm just really tired right now. Plug in my computer because it's at much percent. Alice, Angel. Maybe I could find a skin for Alice. And what was that? Oh. Fine, whatever. Cartoon. cartoon. That is not cartoon skin. They have some cartoons on it, but it ain't cartoon skin. Cartoon wolf. Literally just... I am just out of it right now. I don't even care about the cartoon anymore. Happy. Because this right here just looks really derpy. Oh, look. Accessories. Okay, at least they blend into the hair. It does not look like a wolf. This looks more like a wolf. But one tip. What are we at right now? Okay, so 7. One tip for you guys. Once you do that, you do it in the morning. So... It's 100. Oh my gosh. I don't know, I think this big tail is perfect for him. Yeah. Skins. I have to have some weight there, so like, can't have full white. We can't, like, have no black. That looks like a cat. This looks like a cat right now, but it's okay because we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. Cartoon. What do they think of when they look at a cartoon? Yeah, that would work. Wait, would this work? Yeah, it'll work. So, hair, fluffy, black. Uh, one thing. Oh my. That covers up half of. Oh, I see that it's really fluffy. Oh, my head! Ow. That really hurt my head. See that, like, coloration and everything? It looks like it's shining. It's not just like the white, and they put a lot of detail into it. I could use this, but it's more of like a boss, I think. Okay. Hopefully, don't run into anything weird. I guess it's not that much, actually, to base off of. It's kind of cute. That's adorable. So I may have to, make another video for this because it's taking a long time. Okay, overalls. We just gotta find. I said top. So if I had to say, Boris's overalls would probably be white. Let's make it.